More than a month ago, Samsung Philippines sent me the Samsung Galaxy A12. Now this video is a bit late, but let me tell you what I think of the device after a month of use. Hi guys, this is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and here are my thoughts about the Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's start with what it comes with out of the box. First are some paperworks. Next is the device itself. This is the blue colored unit. We also have a SIM ejector tool, the power brick or charger which is capable of fast charging, USB Type-C cable, and lastly, they also included a wired headset. Now most of the past A-series mid-rangers come with either a glossy or a matte finish back, but this time they gave the A12 a textured back, just like the back of the entry-level Galaxy A01 Core. Oh, by the way, you can check my unboxing and impression of the A01 Core on the link above and in the description box below. Now the back of the A01 Core was plasticky, which I didn't really like, but it's important to note that it was an entry-level phone with a very low price tag. The back of the A12 however feels kinda nice. It is still plastic but looks and feels similar to glass, which is surprisingly good. They call this Glastic by the way. The back is not all textured though. It has a smooth matte finish below where we can see the Samsung logo. On the right side of the device, you can find the volume controls as well as the power button, which also doubles as the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And I actually prefer the side-mounted ones over the rear-facing ones. On the left side is where you'll find the hybrid SIM tray, where you can insert dual nano SIMs plus a micro SD card. There's pretty much nothing on the top except for a microphone, and at the bottom of the device is the audio jack, USB Type-C port, and the speakers. The A12 sports a wide 6.5-inch Infinity V display, and to be honest with you, I wanted a better display for this phone, considering there are mid-range phones on the market right now that has AMOLED displays. It's not disappointing though, it does look bright even under the light. The higher tier A-series phones do have AMOLED displays, so you can opt for those if you really want it. Audio is also nice and loud when watching videos or playing games, but I do find its single firing bottom speaker lacking when listening to music. It does come with an included wired headset out of the box, and they do help, but I still prefer aftermarket ones. Performance-wise, it's as smooth as you would expect thanks to its octa-core processor. Battery life is pretty good as well. It can last on average at least 2 days on a full charge. Plus it does support 15-watt fast charging, so charging is a breeze. Now for cameras, it is equipped with a quad rear camera setup in a square array, which is composed of a 12-megapixel wide main shooter, 5-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It also has a front-facing 8-megapixel teardrop camera. Picture quality looks decent enough, but I do find its features a bit lacking. For example, it doesn't have a night shooting mode as I had hoped, and its pro shooting mode lacks settings such as shutter speed. Here are a few sample photos. You can check more photos on my review at DavaoGeekHub.com. The Samsung Galaxy A12 is available for purchase online and will be available in two variants. There's the 4GB RAM variant which is priced at 7,990 pesos and the 6GB RAM variant at 9,990 pesos. Specs for both variants will be flashed on screen. Hit pause if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Do hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Once again, my name is Joseph and this is Davao Geek Hub.